Now, as a little addendum here, I found there may be issues with having more than one video component per timeline. Let me give you an example here. If I go back to frame 1 and check my component parameters, this one says that I'm playing Dentine Animate. And if I go over here to this one says I'm playing Nutrigrain. However, when I actually play the movie, I'll do a test movie here. It starts on the Dentine on the first page, and yes, I can play it. But when I go to the next page, I know I'm on the next page also because my frame color will change. Look at that, it's actually the same video. So here's what I suggest we do. I'm going to go back here to the timeline, and I'm going to nest one of them into its own movie clip. That will actually take it out of this current timeline, and let's see if that kind of fixes the issue here. So I'm on the frame 5 version, so I'll highlight that component, that video component, modify, convert to symbol, movie clip, and I'll just call it vid2. Vid2, click OK. There's no programming involved. I've just nested that though inside of a movie clip. So if I click that now, you see it's a movie clip. So in order to get to the component properties, I have to double click that movie clip and then select the component. So now it says Nutrigrain again. Let me just go back up to scene 1 and confirm that the first one says Dentine. So they're different. So let's just save that. We'll give that another try and cross our fingers. Okay. And there we go. So that's basically how you can segregate them. It seems like it doesn't always like the component on the same timeline. As much as I've had that work, no problem in the past, it seems to be a little flakier now, maybe on these newer versions. But the fix is just to nest one or all of your video components into a unique movie clip, and that seems to address the issue. Okay, so let me just do one little finesser here. And go in here, and frame 5. I'm going to set it to auto start. So auto play. Save that again. Just come back out to scene 1. Save my file. Give it another try. And it should play automatically now when I go to it. There we go. Of course, you can always stop it and use your controls underneath the video. So that is how you can actually fix any potential issues when you have more than one movie component or video component rather on your timeline. And there we have it.